can't go back there. Come on. Good boys.
Playing?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Knock over the pan. Okay, it's all right. I'll pick it up. I got it. Okay. Well, I don't know if this is making a good video or not, but where'd you go? Where'd you go?
No.
Uh-oh. Nope, you can't go in there. I don't know if this is cute on the video, but it's adorable in person.